Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: net size, anchor type, and plant spacing. Attach anchors or posts at regular intervals and unroll the net. Secure one end first. Once done, tension the net so it's slightly taut. That prevents sagging but allows growth. Plant seedlings 15 to 30 centimeters from the net and gently guide the main stem to the lower net row within 2 to 3 weeks. This early training sets the framework and reduces future repainting or restructuring. Once plants reach the net, begin systematic training by weaving side shoots into the mesh every 20 to 30 centimeters. You should encourage 2 to 4 main leaders depending on species. Prune excess laterals so the plant concentrates energy on productive stems. Make soft ties or clips at branch nodes and never use abrasive materials. As you work up the net, stagger horizontal weaving to create tiers that distribute fruit weight and light. This controlled approach maintains airflow and simplifies harvests without stressing the plant. To finish, secure the net's top edge and anchor the bottom so the lattice holds fruit and vine weight. Inspect tension periodically and retention after strong wind or heavy yield. If sagging appears, add mid-anchors or splice a new section. If net is torn, replace the damaged panel promptly. If stems rub and develop wounds, retie higher and trim damaged tissue to reduce infection risk. One key troubleshooting tip: when vines outgrow the net, split training into a second adjacent panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.